This is Gabriel D. Chow. So today, we're gonna do how to take care of plants. First, you have to water the plants regularly. And then, second, you have to cultivate the soil. And then, third, you have to remove the weeds or dried leaves. Okay, fourth, the plants needs enough sunlight in order for it to grow healthy. And thank you for everything. See you next time. Bye.